In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful, my dear friends, very good morning. I believe that you're doing good and happy Friday. And we are going to start today's weekend exercise, about pronunciation and accent. And in this exercise, we are going to learn new words, vocabulary, grammar, structures, and fancy ideas as well. These are Unit 11 and 12, which you are going to practice today in the class. And students have been assigned the topics and their scripts. Actually, it's a reading a practice. When you're reading, you have to just describe everything accurately. You have to be perfect in accent and pronunciation. Try to be as much as possible. And I hope that you will be doing good and you'll be justifying with your presentation. Assignment is very nice and it's very comprehensive. It's going to benefit you and everybody who is going to listen to it. This is actually pronunciation and accent training class at the weekend. So I am just going to ask you about your structures, about your text, and the way you read it. I hope you would have prepared it very well. And in advance, I really appreciate everybody who's going to take part in this exercise.
When I get home, I'm going to relax with my wife. When I grow up, I'm going to be a racing driver.
Going to be a racing driver. Excellent. Very nice.
When the kids are in bed, I'm going to sit down and have a glass of wine. When I get a pay rise, I'm going to buy my girlfriend a ring.
It's a very bad. He must be buying something for his wife instead of the
Yes,
girlfriend.
sir.
Very good. Pay rise, दुआएं वो करती है. Ring उसको ले. Very bad.
When I arrive on Koh Samui Island, I'm going to lie on the beach. When I retire, I'm going to learn to play golf. When this lesson ends, I'm going to meet my friends for coffee.
Excellent. Very nice. You would have found the rise and fall of the tone. और एक खास एक टोन पे उन्होंने बोला है ये टोन दरकार है आपकी तरफ से और कितना पॉज देना है कहाँ राइज एंड फॉल होना है ये it's really significant feature of establishing your accent right. Yes, please.
When I get home, I'm going to relax with my wife. I'm not going to talk about work. When I grow up, I'm going to be a racing driver. I'm not going to work in an office like my dad. When the kids are in bed, I'm going to sit down and have a glass of wine. I'm not going to do the washing. When I get a pay rise, I'm going to buy my girlfriend a ring. I'm not going to buy a new car. When I arrive on Koh Samui Island, I'm going to lie on the beach. I'm not going to check emails for a week. When I retire,
I'm not going to check emails on the
I'm going to learn to play golf. I'm not
going to learn golf. I'm going to learn to play golf. Excitement should be there. Every sentence has got its connotation, उसके background है. So it should be spoken accordingly. Very good.
I'm not going to stay at home and do nothing. When these lessons end, I'm going to meet my friends for coffee. I'm not going to do my homework.
Very nice. Yes.
What a pity, it's going to rain. He can't play
What a
tennis.
pity. It's going to rain.
He can't play tennis. Look at the time. He's going to
Look
be
at the time.
He's going to be late for He's going to be late for his meeting. Come on. Come on. She's going to win. Fantastic. Oh no, Jake's on top of the walls. He's going to fall. Carefully. She's going to drop the walls too late. They are so excited. He's going to sneeze. Achoo, bless you.
Achoo, I like this. A fake sneezing. Right. Great.
First, we are going to Egypt. Why? To see the pyramids? Well, yes, but also we want to cruise down the Nile. Fantastic. Where are you going after that? Well, then we are going to Tanzania too.
Wow, that's good. Very nice. Good presentation.
Where are they going to? To the south of France. When are they going? On May the 21st. How are they traveling? By plane and hired car. How long are they staying? For 10 days. Where are they staying? In a house in a village. What are they going to do? They are going to swim, go shopping in markets, read and relax and eat in good restaurant.
Eat and relax in a good restaurant. Excitement. Very good. Combined?
First, we are going to Egypt.
Why? To see the pyramids?
Well, yes, but also we want to take a cruise down the Nile.
Fantastic. Where are you going after that?
Well, then we are going to Tanzania.
Wow, you are going to Kilimanjaro.
Yes, and then we're flying to India.
Are you going to visit the Taj Mahal?
Yes, and then we are flying to India.
Are you going to visit the Taj Mahal?
Of course, but we're also going tiger safari. Of course, but we're also going on a tiger safari.
You're going to visit a tiger?
Well, we hope so. Then we are going to Cambodia to visit the temple of Angkor Wat then.
Then to Australia to see ironwoods. We want to take photographs of its sunset. Did you know it's turned from pink to purple at sunset?
Really? And you going to Sunday?
Yes, we are taking to flight from Sydney to Antarctica.
Yeah, it's a great trip to see the coldest place on earth.
I can't believe this. How many more places?
2. We are flying to from Sydney to Peru.
To see Machu Picchu, of course.
Yes, and then from Peru to the US Yellowstone Park to see super volcano and perhaps some grizzly bears.
Then home.
Amazing. What a trip. How long it is going to take?
9 months to a year, we think.
What's the weather like? Presenter. Here's Fiona with the weather for Europe for next 24 hours. Fiona. Hello there. Here's the forecast for Europe today. At the moment, there's some wet and windy weather over the UK and Scandinavia. And this is going to move south and east over Poland and Germany. Temperature in Berlin.
Poland and Germany. एक ही सांस में बोलना होता है बस जुमलों को. Right.
Temperature in Berlin and Warsaw are now about 20 degrees, but it's cooler in London, 19 degrees, and cooler still in Oslo, 17 degrees. To the south, it's a bit warmer in Budapest, 23 degrees, but to the east, cool and cloudy in Moscow, where the temperature is welcome 15 degrees after all that extreme summer heat.
Yes.
Moving south, it's getting warmer, 24 degree in Rome, but it's going to be cloudy and showery across of Italy and also over northern Turkey, with heavy rain in Istanbul and temperature of 21 degree. Most other Mediterranean countries are going to be warm and dry. Greece will be hot and sunny with a lot of late summer sunshine. 28 degree in Athens and warmer still in Portugal and Spain. with temperature up to 32 degrees. France is going to be cool and cloudy in northern 20, 20 degrees in Paris and hot and stormy in the south with a high of 29 degrees in Nice. And that's your European weather for today. I will be back at lunchtime with an update. Thank you, Fiona. And now,
What a lovely day, yeah. It's really warm and sunny. What shall we do? Let's go for a walk. What an awful day. It's raining again. I know. It's so cold and wet. What shall we do? Let's stay in, watch a DVD.
What's the weather like today? It's cool and cloudy. Like yesterday. Oh, it was wet and windy. And what is going to be like tomorrow? I think it's going to be warm and sunny.
Go and sunny, great.
What a lovely day.
Yeah, it's really warm and sunny. What should we do?
Let's go for a walk.
Oh no, it's too hot to walk.
Okay, let's go to the beach.
Good idea. Why don't we take a picnic?
What an awful day. It's raining again.
I know, it's so cold and wet. What should we do?
Let's stay in and watch a DVD.
Oh no, that's boring. We did that last night.
Okay, then shall we go out for a coffee?
Great, I will get my coat and an umbrella.
Where's the list?
I have got it. Okay, let me check through. We have bought new backpacks we put a while ago.
They look quite big. I hope we can carry them.
No worries. I haven't finished packing mine yet. Have you?
Not yet. Just one or two more things to go in. Oh, have you collected the euro from the bank?
Yup. I have just collected 500 for you and 500 for me.
All our savings. I hope it's enough.
No worries. We can stay with my aunt in London.
Have you emailed her yet?
Yes, she has just emailed back. She is going to meet us at the airport when we fly in London from home.
Fantastic. Hey, look, I have just found out the weather in Rome for next week. Hot and sunny.
Yeah, it's going to be so good. We are going to leave winter here and arrive in the middle of summer in Europe.
What about the tickets?
I think we only need passports, but I have printed e-tickets in the case I haven't checked in online yet. You can only do the 24 hours before the flight.
Oh, Mel, I'm so excited. I can't wait.
Hello, Lara. Are you and Mel ready for your trip?
Yeah, nearly. We leave next Monday for Rome.
Rome? I've been to Rome for many times.
Well, I've never been there. It's my first time in Europe.
Really? What about your friend Mel?
She's been to London and Paris, but she hasn't been to Rome.
London and Paris. I have been there too. I studied in Paris for a year before I went to work in New York. Have you ever been to US?
No, I haven't. I haven't traveled much at all, so I'm really excited.
Oh, I've been to North and South America so many times, and I have.
I'm sure you have. Cal, oh dear, look at the time. Mel's waiting for me. We've got so much to do. Bye, Cal. We'll send you a postcard.
Bye.
कैसे clapping बनती है?
एक साथ दे दो सोलो
शाबाश. Very good. आपको समझ तो आ ही गई है. What I want from you. मैं आपको चला सादा वैसा नहीं छोड़ना चाहता. अच्छा तो आप शार्प हो जाएं. आप जहाँ भी जाएं आपको जॉब के लिए जाएं आपके यहाँ दरवाजे खुले हैं. लाखों रुपए की जॉब हासिल कर सकते हैं आप इसके जरिए। I believe you with the help of just good communication skill। कुछ भी ना हो आप डिग्री भी आपके लिए देखेंगे, तो आप क्यों नहीं उसको फिर समझ उस बात को जो मैं चाहता हूँ। मैं क्या चाहता हूँ, आपकी कामयाबी। आपने क्या दिया है, 15, 20, 25, 30, 40, 50, 60, मिसाल के तौर 1000 दिया है, मिसाल दे रहा हूँ या, लेकिन ये आपको लाख रुपए महाना दे सकती है चीज़, इसलिए मैं आपको प्यार कर रहा हूँ। छोड़ दें इन चीज़ों को, शायरी फील करें, शायरी फील करो। मैं बोल रहा हूँ तो हो जी लग गया, लग जो मर्जी कहते रहें लोग, करिए अपनी डेवलप। अच्छा इन चीज़ ऐसे हज़ारों तक सुन रहे थे तो ऐसे ही आपको भी बता। मेरा कोई फेवरेट मील है आप में से, आई लव यू ऑल, आप सबसे बहुत प्यार,
Love you too, sir.
और इसके लिए मैं आपको काम करता हूँ।
No, sir. हमारा सोलो ही है सारों का, बस इनको
सोलो आप ही
पहले इनको दे।
Emails yet?
Yes, I have just checked them, but there wasn't one for you.
Have you done the shopping?
No, I haven't. I'm too tired to go out.
Have you washed your hair?
Yes, I have just washed it.
Have you cleaned the car yet?
Yes, I have just cleaned your car and mine.
Mom, have you made the dinner yet?
Yes, dinner's ready. Go and wash your hands.
Have you done the washing up yet?
No, I did it last night. It's your turn.
Have you met the new students yet?
It's your turn.
Sure. Have you met the new students yet?
Yes, I have. I met her on the way to the school this morning.
Have you finished the exercise?
Yes, I have just finished it. Thanks goodness.
You're welcome.
Stop.
I'm really excited about my trip to Europe. I haven't traveled much outside. I'm really excited about my trip to Europe. I haven't traveled much outside Australia before. Just 2 years ago, I went on holiday to Bali with my family. But I've never been to Europe or the US. I often travel inside Australia. Last year, I flew to Perth to visit my cousin who lives there. It's a 5-hour flight from Sydney, where I live. Australia is a big country. Also, I've been up to Crane in the north 3 times. I learned to scuba dive there on the Great Barrier Reef. We're just finished packing and now we're waiting for the taxi to take us to the airport. I've never flown on a 747 before. It's a very long flight. It takes 20 hours to get to Rome. I am going to watch film all the way. I can't wait.
बहुत मेहरबानी आपकी। There's a lot of room for improvement. और आपने just एक reading की है और this is not interesting and this is not impressive.
Have you ever been to Greece? No, I haven't. Have you ever been to Italy? Yes, I have. When did you go? 2 years ago. Where did you go? Rome, Florence, and Venice. Fantastic. Did you have a good time? Yes, I did. It was great.
Ooh, it's really hot in here. Why don't you take off your jumper?
Is your office near where you live?
No, it takes a long time to get to work.
What are your work colleagues like?
Great, we are all get on really well.
How often are there exhibitions in the museum?
They take place regularly every 2 months.
Do you like learning English?
It's okay, but sometimes I get really bored.
The next.
Lisa from Birmingham, England. Okay, I have been Glastonbury 5 times now. My highlight this year were proceeded to drink and the American dinner wine with the best and chips here. However, I was very disappointed with the music on yesterday night. DJs played house music all night. I have house, but this was rubbish. I got really bored, so I went back to my tent to finish a bottle of President with friends.
Daniel Evans from Wales. Last Wednesday at 2:30 in the afternoon, I decided that I went to the Glastonbury. I was lucky I found a ticket on the Glastonbury message board. I'm so glad I went. The music was brilliant. Sometimes it took a long time to went to the stage. The queues were long but friendly. I'm busy in the busy real world. It's difficult to have a good conversation with people. At Glastonbury, you can do this. It's a great festival with a great crowd of people. What more could you want? 100,000 friendly people. I wish the rest of life was the same. 4 days out of 365 is a good start.
A little bit fast, but it's okay. The next.
The best way to get to the airport is to take a taxi. How long does it take if you go by train? I haven't got a camera. I take photos with my iPhone. She has taken a driving test 3 times and she failed every time. Are you still getting ready? We're going to be so late. The doctor told me to take it easy if I want to get better soon. It rained on the day we got married. We got very wet, but still have a great day. You can't get on the bus with that a big dog. Please get off.
The 11:55 for Newcastle stopping at Darlington is now ready to board on platform 10. There is a buffet car on this train. Please check that you have all your passengers with your luggage. This is the number 22 for Piccadilly Circus. Next stop, Green Park. Stand back from the doors, please. Flight BA1536 to New York is now ready for boarding gate 13. Passengers, will passengers in rows 12 to 20 please board first? Passengers are reminded to keep their luggage with them at all times.
What's the weather like today? It's cool and cloudy. What was it like yesterday? Oh, it was wet and windy. And what is going to be like tomorrow? I think it's going to be warm and sunny.
Listen to the poem. Compare your choices. Do you think any of your ideas are better than those in the poem?
I'm going to relax with my wife. I'm not going to talk about work. When I grow up, I'm going to be a racing driver. I'm not going to work in an office like my dad. When the kids are in bed, I'm going to sit down and have a glass of wine. I'm not going to do the washing. When I get a pay rise, I'm going to buy my girlfriend a ring. I'm not going to buy a new car. When I arrive on Koh Samui Island, I'm going to lie on the beach. I'm not going to check emails for a week. When I retire, I'm going to learn to play golf. I'm not going to stay at home and do nothing. When these lessons end, I'm going to meet my friends for coffee. I'm going to do my homework.
I really get sad when you don't perform well. I really get happy and excited when you perform well. So your preparation can sadden me or delight me. I mean, give me a bit of delight. So your performance matters a lot. Your performance can also make your day good. The whole day, 24/7, you'll remain excited and pleasant. And if you're not preparing very well, so maybe you don't mind it, but I have a lot of reservations regarding it. Please prepare very well and try to come up to my expectations. If you will do it, it will be your good, it will be your benefit, it will be your welfare. So I want your welfare, I want your goodness, and I want your brilliant future and exciting career ahead. Wish you all the very best of luck. But some of the students have shown outstanding performance and they have really delighted me. All the very best of luck. I'm going to see you until then. God bless you all. Thank you.